on, you guys? So today's video is going to be a review on the Rogue 1 pound jump rope. So let's get into it. So this jump rope has a diameter of 8 millimeters and it comes in 9 feet and 10 feet. So the 9-foot version is actually 1.5 pounds and the 10-foot version is actually 1.75 pounds. And we'll get into that in the cons. So these handles are about 1 inch in diameter and I really like how they feel. We'll get into that in the pros, but they have the Rogue logo imprinted in them, which if you've seen my Rogue licorice jump rope review, you would see that I don't like that it doesn't have the logo on it. So these ropes are non-adjustable. So if you do get the 9-foot or 10-foot option, there's no adjusting. So in case you were wondering what size is best for you, Rogue does have a chart on their website that has the length to height ratio for you. And another thing would be that Rogue has it on their website that these ropes are not intended for double unders. I know they do have another jump rope that has longer handles and it is rubber coated, and that one is intended for double unders. So I don't know what the difference would be. I'm guessing it would be in the handles, but if you were looking for something that you can do double unders or like CrossFit type of stuff with, this rope is probably not for you. So let's get into the pros and cons. So for the pros, it's good quality. I know when I opened up the package, I looked at the cable and I was like, dang, this is pretty good quality. It's pretty stiff. If it does hit you, it's probably gonna hurt. Another thing that I like about it is the swivels and the handles. So the handles are pretty hard. They're solid, and the swivels, I don't see them breaking anytime soon. And that's with the whole jump rope. I don't see it breaking on you anytime soon, unless you are using it on concrete or not really taking care of it. I know I use my jump ropes on horse saw mats that I have left over from my deadlift platform just to take care of my stuff. So that's probably something you want to do. Yeah, they just feel solid. So like I said, they're not gonna break on you anytime soon. So another pro of this would be that it's a good workout. You do really feel it in your forearms, your shoulders, and I guess a little bit of your calves, but everything else not really. Even though they do advertise it, or people do say that a jump rope is a full body workout, I would say you feel it in those areas the most. Now for the cons. So one thing I do wish that it had was a coated cable. I know I've seen jump ropes like the cross ropes, even Rogue's other jump rope that's 1 pound, that does have a plastic coating on it. So I feel like that would help with it wearing out, and you might be able to use it on concrete and all that type of stuff. Although I do feel like the plastic coating would wear out over time. But another con would be that it's not accurate weight. So if you were looking for something that is exactly 1 pound, this rope is not for you, because like I said, the 9-foot version is 1.5 pounds and the 10-foot version is closer to 2 pounds. It's 1.75 pounds. So that's a pretty big difference from 1 pound. I guess you could say that it's false advertising, but if that really matters to you, then just don't get it. And now, who would I recommend this jump rope to? I would recommend this jump rope to someone who's already ordering off Rogue. If you're looking for something that qualifies for the 3 ships free program, then you could probably get this. If not, and you're just looking for a weighted jump rope, I would say go with Cross Rope. I have seen their jump ropes and it comes with 2 jump ropes and a handle, and you can swap it out. But if you're just looking for something that's gonna be a good workout, I would say go for this. But yeah, that's about it for this review. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like, comment what you guys thought below, and make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys do get a notification when I do drop another video. And thank you for watching.